everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am here with a VR for the sweet Miss Wanda, who is a day in my world here on YouTube. Hey girl! And Miss Wanda is holding a love birthday challenge over on her channel, and I will leave her link below. You've got plenty of time to enter. It has to be due to her by April the 2nd, so you still have a few weeks if you would like to help her celebrate her birthday. And what she was wanting us to create is an 8 by 11 piece of art, basically, that is representing love. And I hope this is okay. She's going to put these in a binder. Mine ended up being landscape instead of portrait. And let me show you. It needed to be as flat as it could be, you know, not really 3D, because she is going to put them in sleeves to put in a binder. And then you would kind of put your information on the back. She said any style, mixed media, collage, watercolors, drawings, anything, just as long as it represented love. And let me show you what I did and what I used. Now, the paper, this beautiful image right here, I got it from Etsy. And it's from PaperPrincessDigital, and you'll probably remember I have got some stuff from her before. She's been so kind, and I thought, you know what, I remember seeing some Easter and collages or papers that she has created, and so I went on there, and what I used was from this prayer journal kit. I used this. It comes with some Bible verses, and then I used an image. Wasn't on this one. Okay, so I think it was on the Easter journal. Yes, this is the one I got, was from the Easter journal, and this image is here somewhere under here. And so this is the paper that I use. I printed it off, and I love her stuff. I'm going to leave these links down below. She's got all kinds of different journals, all kinds of different holidays and everything. This Easter one actually comes with artist trading cards. Let me see, did I print those off? Let's see. And I'm thinking about making a prayer journal. See, look at these images. And this is from the Easter one. And there's you can fussy cut that out. Look how beautiful this is. That image. And these go in the prayer journal. I think I'm going to make one and print them all off. Look how beautiful these are. And all of these are the prayer journal. Those are the prayer journal there. And so go check her out. And she's Paper Princess Digital. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Let me show you what I created. This is, when I started thinking about love, a lot of stuff came to my mind. You know, we love our spouses, we love our children, we love our critters, we love our parents. There's so much love that we have. We love our crafting, creating, you know, families. There's just so much that we love. And I started thinking, you know, what is the greatest love of all? What could I create that represents the greatest love of all? And I thought about what God gave us and what Jesus gave us. And when I went on there and I seen that this was in some of her journal kits, I said, that's it. That is it. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, so that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. John 3:16. Jesus is the ultimate love. God is the ultimate love because he gave his only son for us. And I thought, you know what? This represents love to me. And this journal page was perfect. I put cardstock, or not cardstock, but chipboard on the back. I put 110-pound black cardstock. Then I put a white cardstock here, and then I inked with all different colors around and made it like there's purple, there's a little pink under there and some blue, just to kind of give it that depth look. And here is Jesus. He's ascending, and then here's a little guy praying to him. And here is the cross that he gave his life for us on. And I had to do my diamond dust, as you can see on the flowers and stickles. I put the stickles in the flower middles, and then I glossy accent the cross. And I didn't do anything with the leaves. And then there were some butterflies on here, and I loved those. They were like a really light, subtle butterfly. So I just used some stickles to bring those out. Aren't they pretty? And I put like a little white leaf trim here, just to kind of make the saying here, give it just that little leaves there. So, and then this background paper is gorgeous. It's almost like it's watercolored. And then the sky. So I loved how this turned out. Loved it, loved it, loved it. So I would like to wish you a very happy birthday, Miss Wanda. I hope that you have a huge, huge turnout. And for once, I'm kind of early on a challenge. So I thank each and every one of you for stopping by. And I pray that God blesses each and every one of you and keeps you safe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.